this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube algorithm hacks. And I'm going to talk about the 7 tips that are really going to help grow your channel that actually work. So if you're ready to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, let's get started. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, start a business, then this is the #1 channel to own your life, passion, and dream, and turning your passion into a career. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, and we can help reach more and more people and turning their dream into a reality. So I'm going to run through the 7 most important steps that a lot of people don't think about when trying to grow on YouTube. Let's have a look. So the first point is really paying attention to the topic, because what we need to remember is with an amazing thumbnail and an amazing title, even if it's the best thumbnail you've ever seen, and it's the best title you've ever seen, like you're just blown away with how amazing it is. If you're not interested in that topic, you're still not going to click on it. And that's what a lot of people forget. Even if your thumbnail and your title is amazing, it's got everything that it needs to really encourage someone to click on it, if they're not interested in it, if it's not a topic that they're interested in, then they're still not going to click on the video. So I really want to make it clear that you need to make sure that even though your thumbnail and title and even your description and your tags is really important to be seen and to be ranked on YouTube and to really bring in traffic to your videos, you need to remember that the topic and who you're trying to target is the most important thing when it really comes to growing your YouTube channel. It's one thing to get views on your YouTube channel, but it's another thing to get engagement, to get people to subscribe, and to get people to love your videos. And this brings us on to tip number 2, which is to create videos about strategic topics and subjects. So this is kind of moving in from tip 1, and you really need to think about who your audience is and who you're trying to target. So you really need to do your research and determine what you want to create that video about. So if you don't even have a topic in mind, look on YouTube to see what topics people are looking for and to determine what videos people are interested in. Now make sure that you are looking in the niche that you're trying to create, because you want to make sure that all of the videos that you're creating is that audience is going to be interested in. So you really need to be strategic about your topic and subject so that you know who your audience is, and then you can determine how to target them. As soon as you know who you're trying to target and what they're trying to get from that video, you're able to create that video just for them and tailor it to your viewer. And that way, you know, as long as it reaches the right audience, they're going to love your video. And that's why your topic and your subject is really important. And it may sound like an obvious one, but you need to know who you're trying to target and who you're trying to reach in order to know how to create that video that they'll love and enjoy. So make sure you're taking the time to really understand who your audience is and then tailoring a video or topic that you know that they'll be interested in and they're likely to click on. Tip number 3 is to cover trending topics in that industry. So now that you know what your niche is and you know who your audience is, you really need to pay attention to what is trending on YouTube. And there's actually a really sneaky way of doing this. You can take a trending topic that is not actually in your niche, you can tweak it and turn it into something that relates to your niche. So let's say, for example, you're a comedy channel. And for comedy channels, it's really hard to do a trending topic because there's all sorts of videos about different lifestyle type things, or there's a challenge going on, or whatever it might be. It doesn't seem to really relate to your comedy channel. So what I recommend doing is taking that trending topic, whatever it might be, and then creating a comedy video about that trending topic. This way you're able to draw in the audiences from that trending topic and actually reach a larger audience that is still going to relate to your niche. This is a great way to bring in more traffic into your videos, and it's really important to know what is trending to help draw in more people and ride the wave, if you will, of the trending topics. So always make sure that you're paying attention when you're going to create a video. See what's trending and see how you can interact that and connect that with your video to reach a wider audience, but making sure that it still relates to your niche so that your subscribers will still enjoy it, but it's going to draw in other people that will enjoy that type of video too, because it's something that's trending. So that therefore you have a higher chance of being seen and more people are likely to enjoy it because you know it's something that a larger audience is enjoying. Tip number 4 is to cover topics that your subscribers are most interested in. So it's one thing to create videos that can draw in new audiences, but you also need to make sure that you're creating videos for your current subscribers. So make make sure that you're always listening to what your audience is asking. You're always going to find in your videos, your audience will be asking you for further information, asking you questions. And these questions that you see come up more and more often is going to help you to determine what questions your audience has. So it's really important to make sure that you're taking note of what your audience is asking and what your audience is interested in. You already know from looking at your analytics to see what videos are doing well and what your audience is most interested in. If you've already niched down quite a bit, then you already have a pretty good idea of who your audience is and what value they're trying to get from your videos. But it's always important to remember, especially as you grow bigger and bigger and you start to get more growth into your YouTube channel, to not forget who your subscribers are and to create videos that you know that they will love. Tip number 5 is to create new videos that will attract new subscribers. That kind of comes back to the trending example. You want to create videos that are going to reach a new audience. It's never enough to just create videos that your subscribers love, but it's not going to reach new viewers. So really create broader topics that's going to have a larger audience, and it's going to give you the opportunity to reach a wider audience and turn those viewers into subscribers. So make sure that you are creating topics that are trending or that you know are very popular, that relate to your niche. And then if you're able to rank on search or rank in suggested, you're able to reach more and more people and turn them into subscribers. So it's really important to take note of videos that are quite popular at the moment. See what kind of videos that you can branch out to that are in your niche, that you can reach a larger audience and then get new subscribers from that video. Number 6, moving in from number 5, you want to create 3 different types of videos. 1 is for subscriptions, 2 is for views, and 3 is for engagement. So you want to create one type of video. Let's just say in this instance you create 3 videos a week. Your first video is for your subscribers. You're creating videos that you know they're invested in, you know that they love, and that's the reason they subscribe to your channel. You always want to make sure you're tailoring some videos to your viewers that you know are going to love. So let's say you started off your YouTube channel and you only created videos about iPhones. You know that a large majority of your audience loves your videos about iPhones, but let's say you're starting to branch out and you're doing more lifestyle type videos. You still need to make sure that you're creating videos for what your subscribers subscribe to. If you stop making videos that your subscribers were interested in, you might start losing subscribers, which can really affect your channel. So make sure you are creating videos for your subscribers because they are your valued viewers, and you want to make sure you're always creating videos that not only they subscribe to your channel for, but you know that they'll love and will really appreciate those videos. The second video is for views. So this is creating videos that are trending, that videos that you know are going to have a larger audience, and just videos to help you get more traffic into your YouTube channel. This is creating videos that you know is going to have a larger audience than just your subscribers. So it's really important to research your topic and to find things where you can rank on YouTube search, rank in suggested, rank on home pages, to create a video topic that you know is going to reach more and more people and is going to generate you more views into your YouTube channel. And the third one is creating videos for engagement. Now, engagement type videos are more your kind of stuff that's really adding value and answering people's questions. So these are more like your how-to type videos, your tutorial type videos. So this could be something like how to change a tire, how to change the oil, how to cross the road, whatever it might be. It's your real how-to type videos that is going to reach a large audience, but it's going to get a lot of high engagement because you're answering people's questions. So you're really going to encourage engagement in those videos by creating videos that's going to generate a wide range of traffic, and you can really help people by answering their questions. So high engagement videos are also really important, not so much to get the high views, but to really communicate with your audience, and it creates an outlet for that problem that people can come together and find the answers to their question. And number 7 is don't forget to experiment and test videos. Just because you feel like you're stuck in a niche, you're boxed in, you feel like you can't create different types of videos, never feel like you can't test videos. When you've really got an audience and you feel like you're trapped because you have so many subscribers that only like that one type of content, always remember that you can branch out. So maybe one video a week or even one video a month. You can try a different style of videos. So this may be different editing styles. Maybe you want to do more vlogging type videos. Whatever it might be, you're always able to test out these videos and see how your audience reacts. Yes, this won't be videos for your subscribers, so there could be a drop in views, but the positive is you might reach other people that are interested in those videos. And that's what you need to remember. You're never going to create a video that every single one of your subscribers loves. Even if they enjoyed it at the start, even though they might have enjoyed that video at the start, it may no longer be relevant to them. Or if it's a how-to type video, they only needed to learn how to do that, and then once again they've probably left your YouTube channel. So it's really important to experiment with your videos, test new ideas, and to generate more viewers and different viewers into your YouTube channel so that you're always growing and you're always able to expand and making sure that that YouTube channel isn't going to die off by everybody no longer interested in your content. So make sure that you remember that you don't have to be boxed in, you don't have to be locked into one niche. Always experiment and test out new ideas to see how your audience reacts. So guys, that was my 7 tips how to really grow on YouTube and what really works to grow your YouTube channel. If you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite tip was out of these 7 tips. I'm very curious to hear what you think will work best for you. And if you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.